Sometimes when you are facing difficulties in your life, it's really hard to get back to your normal self. I consider myself to be a very creative person. I love crafting, I love sewing, and I love creating things with my hands. But after I lost my husband, I lost that spark of creativity. I even stayed away from listening to any kind of music. Music was shut out of my life completely for the first 3 years, my husband's passing. And one day I was watching a YouTube, and one of the old songs that I used to listen to when I was younger came on playing, and I just started crying like crazy. And that kind of cleansed all of the hurt and grief from my husband's passing. And it was like that music flushed out everything that was holding me back from enjoying now. And since that day, I think I've come pretty much back to my normal self. I am now exploring creative activities, and YouTube channel is one of them. I just started with YouTube out of the blue, and back then I was still grieving pretty much, and only recently I've come to realize that I am able to enjoy the creative process. So I am very happy about it. And December 26th is my husband's 4th anniversary of his passing. And I look back on those 4 years, and I can say I've come so far. I've done pretty good job to get where I am, where we are now. Even though there are many obstacles and there are many challenges still there for me to tackle, but emotionally, I think we are at a much better. So what I want to say is that once you set your financial goal, I think it's a good idea to keep your creative side alive and have a little idea or even a goal for something else other than your financial goal. So in my case, I am putting my thoughts together, and I have different ideas that I want to be doing. I have different ideas of what I want to be doing 5 years from now, once my financial problems are solved. Not like first financial problem and then go on to the next, but it's going to be parallel. My main focus is finance, right? Because that's the base. And then I have another dream and goal where I could satisfy my creative ego, a creative desire. I have some ideas that I am kind of toying around in my head, and that's been really fun process. Sometimes you should just escape from a reality, let your mind wander off into your dream space, dream world, and that will help you be more motivated. It's gonna push you through, I think. Yes, I am trying. That's one thing I wanted to share today. And now, as an ending shot, I will show you the beautiful sky. It's been cloudy all day today. It's cold. Okay, thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Take care.